Maybe they could be friends instead.
That's a great idea, Rabbit. What happens next?
They eat berries.
Excuse me, teacher. How do we make sure our colors don't mix if we want them separate?
That is an excellent question, Little Orange. Well done.
That's lovely.
Look at the swirl he made.
I like green.
Whoa, the tower fell.
I didn't mean to.
That's all right. We'll just start over. They knew that even though the journey was long, they would always have each other. And with that, the sleepy Goodbye, everyone. See you tomorrow.
Look, it's my mom.
Did you finish the puzzle?
Wait for me.
You be brave now, Little Orange. Make friends and listen to Teacher Panda. Mama loves you so much.
I will. Mama, look. For you.
Oh, my little one.
It's beautiful, darling. So vibrant.
I drew us.
And we learned this one. Little Paws, Big Dreams.
Wonderful, sweetie. Keep going. You were so brave today.
It was fun, Mama.
Home sweet home. Yay! I'm home. Surprise, my little scholar.
Wow. My favorites.
A place of honor for your masterpiece.
My drawing is a star. And then the puppy tumbled.
Oh, really? How funny.
Don't worry, Mama. School is fun.
My brave little one.
The teacher said.
Shh. We can talk more tomorrow, sleepyhead. Rest up, sweetie. Big day tomorrow.
Love you, Mama.
I love you too, Little Orange.
Kiddos, time for school. Have a great day!
Good morning, class.
certainly did, sweetie. Are you ready for your big day?
Be a good little learner today, okay, sweetie?
I will, Mama. Bye.
Morning, little orange. Let's go.
Welcome, little orange. We're so happy to have you. You can sit right here next to Rabbit. Little Orange has shown such vibrant participation, and her confidence is truly blossoming.
Oh, that makes my heart.
You're doing so well, sweetie. Are you almost finished with that section? Just one more line, Mama.
Everyone, for the sky we use this bright blue crayon. See how it blends right here?
Chirp! Is this okay? I can't reach the good ones up there.
How about these down here? They look fun.
Oh, thanks.
Try putting the red one here. It will balance the weight.
Okay, like this?
Wow, it worked! You're smart, little orange. Does that mean the snow leopards also live up high where it's very cold?
That's a wonderful question, little orange. What do you think?
What if this piece goes here?
I see.
The wheels on the bus go round and round all through the town.
Little Orange has shown such wonderful leadership and kindness. We're all very proud of her. You'll be so brave, my little one, just like we practiced.
Mama.
And see, Mama, this one has big floppy ears so it can hear whispers from far away. There's plenty of room here.
Oh, thank you.
Try thinking about the numbers here, like a little family.
Oh, I see it now.
What if we add a touch of goldenrod to this green?
Ooh, yes, that's a great idea.
Chirp, good idea.
And this part, Mama, is the xylem. It carries water all the way up.
Oh, little orange.
Almost there, little one. One more step.
And then the asteroid flies really fast!
Whoa, that's exciting.
Today, we'll journey through space.
Who wants to build the sun? And Jupiter is so big, Mama. It spins around like this.
So this is our solar system model. As you can see, we focused on the accurate scale of the planets, especially Jupiter right here.
You did so wonderfully, my little star explorer.
And we used so many colors for the sun, Mama. Bright orange and glitter. And then Mrs. Panda showed us how to draw a perfect circle. Mine was almost perfect. Can I go? Hi, Charlie.
Hi, Barnaby. Wait for me.
All right, class. Who would like to start their group story today?
Ooh, me. We practiced ours, and I know just how to begin.
Welcome, little one. Come find your spot.
Okay, sweetie, watch closely. Short, then a long one.
Wow, that was loud. Can I try it now?
तो उसकी चिंता में आंख पे भले में थे यहाँ के बहुत बड़े में सफर होंगे तुर्मी ही भवनी बलान दवाई जाते हैं और मीठी
This place holds the ancient secrets. If we protect it, it will protect us.
Mayday! Mayday! This is Big Red, requesting assistance.
Attention all units. Distress signal confirmed. Proceeding to location. Are you two all right? We're here to help.
Yes, thank goodness.
We'll secure the area.
Looks like you're both perfectly healthy, just a little shaken. Good, brave cats.
The issue appears localized to the ignition system.
Oh, all right. Do what you can, Panda.
I'll start by checking the wiring harness here.
Angle the beam slightly to the left, right there. That's perfect.
Is this component secured now?
Almost. Just a final adjustment.
I need the 14mm wrench, if you please.
Here it is, Mr. Panda. I found the big one.
We need to replace the serpentine belt. It's worn through.
Let me clean these tensioner pulleys for you.
I have the new belt right here. The truck is fully serviced and ready to roll.
Road is clear. We're opening the lane now.
Medical supplies secure. All set here.
How about we let them know we appreciate the help?
Yes, let's do it!
Safe travels, you two.
Thank you again!
Thank you so much. Our pleasure.
This is the path we need to take. It avoids the main highway.
Wow! Are we going through Whisper Woods again?
This is the route we bake, right here.
Got it, Mom. I'm ready.
Char One, a whole new world. It is, isn't it? Our big adventure has truly begun.
Go ahead, sweetie, you can do it.
I did it! We're connected now.
Wow, this is high. Are you sure I can do it, Mama? Wow, look at this place. Is this the swimming room?
That's the bathroom, sweetie. It's where we get clean.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Oh, thank you so much.
We brought some flowers for your new garden.
These are the foxgloves. They're just starting to bloom.
They're beautiful. Thank you for showing us.
Over there's the big field for zoomies and the tall tree for climbing.
That sounds wonderful. Thank you, CHAR_11.
the best vet in town is just 2 blocks over.
Oh, that's so good to know. Don't forget the best treat shop.
Thank you, all of you, for everything.
This spot feels just right, doesn't it, sweetie?
Wow, Mama, it looks amazing. Can I touch it?
Look at this one, sweetie. This was the day we moved in.
Wow. Is that when I got my backpack?
Yes, it is.
Oh, look how little you were.
It feels like just yesterday.
Is that when we first moved in, Mama?
Yes, sweetie. It feels like yesterday.
Here we are, sweetie. Your favorite in our new home.
Yum, thank you, Mama. It smells so good.
It's beautiful out there, isn't it, sweetie? Would you like to go explore the garden?
Yes, Mama, yes. Let's go now.
That was the first picture we ever hung in this house.
Where will we hang it now?
Good afternoon. Welcome to our new home. Thank you, ma'am. We'll have you moved in smoothly. Panda, grab the straps.
Hello! What a wonderful surprise!
Welcome to the neighborhood. These are from our garden.
This is for the little one.
Oh, thank you, both of you. How incredibly thoughtful.
All right, is this the fragile lot? Panda, Rabbit, secure the antiques first.
Yes, thank you. They need extreme care.
And over here is our little community garden plot.
And just beyond that is the best park for playing fetch.
All done here. Best of luck in your new home. Welcome to the neighborhood. Let us know if you need anything at all.
We've finished unloading everything on the list. Good luck with the new place.
Come here, little orange. Our new home is waiting for us. It's time to rest by the fireflies.
Wow!